practical things are there. That's all.
We can manage things proper.
And I love management.
Yeah.
I love management.
Feels great. Like this is the best course till now I've come up with.
It looked very attractive.
Yeah, quite.
BMS kind of offers everything in one course, and it's very practical based. No mugging up, it's more of projects and presentations, factory visits and all. It's been a big change for all of us. We call it from rags to little, corporate wear for presentations, acting all perfect when you go for factory visits and IDs and all that. It has brought about a bit of personality change, I must say. It's good. In fact, now the credit system has come in the BMS for the freshers this first year. So it makes sense for them if they plan to go abroad and all of that. It really helps them.
BMS because it's a management course and I like management. Yeah, please enjoy your college life.
It inspired me because of my faculties basically. The parents orientation, the faculties and all helped me a lot. So it inspired me to take me BMS and I am very much thankful to my faculties.
Basically, BMS itself is a very scoping concept. Before I went, when I cleared my 12th, there are around many people who told me to go for BMS. So that could be the one reason. And the second, when I went up to this course, I really felt I got them into the very good course. It's a really good experience. Basically, the thing is when this thing happened, function and all, this thing made us to realize what the management means to us. It's really good concept for us to go ahead with studying and plus basically as soon as I complete my graduation, I'll be looking for some internship or within the second year gets over. That could be the two criteria for me. Maybe a Larsen and Toubro would be the good one for me. And just one will be work. Definitely I'll go for HR or marketing.
Okay, thank you.
Anything else?
I think it was the time 10 years before when corporate sector and they realized that we should have managers, those who are specially trained, right? People who will be knowing management basics, fundas, and they will be clear with these fundas. And I think that was the time when people were coming out with BA graduation, BSc graduation, or this regular graduation courses, where they were not knowing about the management fundas, the basics of the management. And after doing post-graduation also in that particular field of arts or science or anything else, or engineering suppose, they were not knowing about the management. Whereas the management was one of the very important area in any field. It is like that. So I think they must have realized that they should have sort of course which will be giving you management fundas. So one course was designed by University of Pune, that was Master in Computer Management, which had combination of MCA, that is Master in Computer Application, and MBA, that is Master in Business Administration. So that was a combination of these courses, that was MCM, that is Master in Computer Management, which had computers as well as management fundas. And then this thing was done by Dr. Kolte, who was Dean of Commerce Faculty of Pune University. And when this was introduced, after that then new thought came into existence that we should have some sort of graduation course which will give basic management fundas to the students, which will be able to teach management to the students. And then BMS course was designed. And I think that is the best course for the students, to those who are willing to get into the management. Specifically in Wilson College, I don't know the initial days, last 5-6 years I have seen the growth in BMS. I have seen the growth is really excellent growth. I have seen people coming from different areas, remote areas of Maharashtra, out of Maharashtra, students with good percentage from different mediums like Marathi, Hindi mediums they are coming. But the way they are taught in our college, I think teachers are doing an excellent job. And when they are, I have seen people coming in FY, and I have seen their quality when they are going out. It is not in marks only. It is in totality, like their personality, the way they present themselves. Because managers are supposed to be very good presenters also, because they are the faces of that particular corporate sector or the organization, and they should be in a very good position, in a very good manner, that they should be able to put themselves as a representative of their organization in a very good manner. And I think that quality I have seen in the students, which is developed in our college especially. And I think we are one of the best colleges in University of India.
I'm going to do 2 years job somewhere after I do MBA.
I also will be doing MBA in either marketing or finance.
Start my own business, like event or some other like which I like. And that time what's good?
My purpose of taking BMS is because I want to start my own business.
MBA.
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 Because I want to be a businessman.
Basically, I go for MBA in marketing or finance.
And post BMS, I want to work for like a year or two, and then go in for an MBA or something.
I'm planning to specialize in finance, and I'm not thought of my post-graduation, but definitely, start with my career with marketing and, do some financial courses and then would look for post-graduation.